Today we are going to see the secret operator that will enable us to make parallel selection for filter criteria either from different columns or from the same column. So these two criteria will be applied together at the same time, not consecutive and not in series. They will be applied in parallel. What does this mean? We are going to see how it is normally applied and what is the secret operator. So usually that's the filter. If you apply a filter from here, so if you select any filter from here, for example, you will select, you will take out Friday, okay, and then if you select okay, then you'll have all the days except Friday, and then if you apply another filter, it will be applied to this set of data which is available to you. It will not be applied to any other. So Friday will not come again. You will not be able to find Fridays again. So if you can't get this one, so if we return again, select all, and okay, so Friday is returned again. For example, if I select it from here, the operator, I will select only one operator, which is C, for example, and then okay. Now if I need to select Fridays or Mondays or whatever, so it will be only this which are related to C. No other group will appear, because filters are applied in series. The second filter is applied on the result of the previous filter. Okay, so that's what I mean by series application of the filter. Same applies when I go here. If you remember, we were applying here the filter using the filter function. You can add multiple filter criteria. It's also here I applied the B. For example, if I select another criteria, for example, in column from E, 3 to E25, and then will equal to, for example, 101. Enter. Okay, now appears the temperature of the products only for the group P, not for any other group, because the filters are applied in series, either with the function or with the normal filter application. So you apply one filter and then you apply the second one on the result of the previous one. But now I need to apply multiple filters at the same time. How we can make this? Control Z, I will return my function again. So that's the first criteria, or the first way we were writing our filters. Now I need to apply two criteria at the same time. I need, for example, from this column, not only to select P, to select P and to select A from the same column, for example, or to select B and select all the temperatures of 101 from the temperatures, not after the P is selected. How we can make like that? We can make this one. I will come here. First, I will put the first criteria between parentheses, and then I will add plus, and after the plus I will add my second criteria. For example, now I will select, as we had done before, the E3 to E25, and this one is equal to 101. Okay, and then I will close my parenthesis. Enter. What happens now? Now you will find that all the B is selected. So you have all the B is already selected, but together with the B, it selected all the criteria, or that is fulfilling that the temperature is 101. Okay, so you can see now that all are applied now. We can extend it, for example. If I can extend it to the same column, which is D again, so I say plus D3 to D25 is equal, for example, to operator, which is the header column. Okay, now we can see that now the header column appeared because it had selected the filter from the column D, and then selected, you can see it here, selected the filter from the column D, and then selected all the B's, and then selected all the temperatures which are 101. What else we can make? Instead of this one, I can add another criteria, also plus. I will make it also on the same column, for example, which is D3 to D25 is equal to A. Enter. So, put the A outside the quotations. Okay, now you can see all the A is available, all the B is available, and all the temperatures which are 101 were also available. For C, you can find, for example, that C does not have any 101. Okay, so it's not a glitch. It's simply C does not have any 101 temperature, so it's 102. So if you need to make the C appear, so you need to add another criteria. For example, the 102. You can change here. For example, here, if I make this one 102, enter, you will find. Sorry. So this error appeared because here you can see that array will, if it applied the equation, the results will extend, so it will override something which is previously written in the sheet. So it will not do this automatically. You should delete it yourself. So here I will simply delete this one. Then you can see your function is applied. We have applied a lot of functions, and you can see that C is appearing because it's 102, and beside all the A's and the B's, so it's parallel. The filter is applied to many parallel selections at the same time, not series. So not one filter is applied and then the result, the next filter is applied to the result of the first one, and so on. So that's very important insight from the sheets. You need to keep it in mind. Okay, so when you use the plus operator here, it will apply the filter criteria in parallel and not in series. Okay, and won't apply it on the result of the first criteria. It will apply it by itself on as independent, and then will give you the result merged of the two criteria together. Share the information, join the channel. You can see join our trainings for the apps scripts and for the Google Sheets. You will find these trainings on Udemy. You'll find it in the description box under the video, and you'll find also our services on Fiverr. So if you need any help with new ideas or with apps script, or with any problem with the functions, or creating any idea with sheets, you need any support, you can ask for our services on Fiverr. You can join our trainings on Udemy and tutorial points for apps script and for the Google Sheets. You'll find a lot of insights. We'll build projects together. See you in the coming videos with more insights from Sheets.